Satnam, today I'm going to talk to you about something which affects our lives so much that it literally shapes our lives. I'm talking about vibrations. There are different kinds of vibrations and different kinds of effects that these vibrations have on us. But today specifically, I'm going to talk to you about curses and blessings. When somebody curses you, it sends out a vibration, and that vibration affects us in ways which I cannot even begin to describe you. I'm going to tell you a story about that, which will make you understand what I mean. As an art dealer, I had been extremely successful. In fact, for a lot of people, I was too successful. They just couldn't digest it. And there was this particular lady in the art world. For some reason, she would just keep bad-mouthing me everywhere she went. Every party she went to, she'd talk bad about me. Whoever she met, she would make it a point to take out my subject, take out my topic, and talk bad about me. And this went on for years. And my friends would ask me, why don't you confront her? Why don't you ask her? Why don't you, say anything to her? I said, it doesn't affect me in any way. Yeah, it affects my business. It affects the fact that some people get convinced by those nasty stories that she makes about me. I don't care. Whoever wants to buy art from me, they will come. Whoever doesn't want to, they are welcome not to. I don't care. And I ignored it and I ignored it and I ignored it. I mean, somewhere it would hurt. Some of the stories are really nasty. One day, I heard about a story which she had passed around. Obviously, it was a lie. And it was like a knife in my heart. I just wept. My wife asked me what happened. I said nothing. I couldn't talk. I just got up. I went and sat in my car. And there's this temple that we go to sometimes in Andheri. And I drove for about half an hour. Went to the temple. Just entered the temple. I put my forehead down on the ground. And I started crying. And I said, I curse her. Punish her. And it came from my heart. In Hindi, we have a word for it. It's called hai. It's not like H-I-Hi. It's like hai. Hai means like a curse which comes out from your core of your soul. She'd been doing it for like 5 or 6 years, and I lived with it. It was fine. But this particular story was so vicious. It just shook me up. And that curse came out from my soul. I'm not proud of what I did. But you know what happened to her? Within a week, her husband had left her, her children had left her. This woman who used to be on the cover of all the page 3 tabloids, she used to be in the newspaper literally every week. She was beautiful, came from a very big family and all of that. Within a month, she was totally destroyed. And not only that she lost all the money and the children and the husband, but she started looking ugly. Her skin started just shattering. I'm telling you, I'm repeating myself. It's probably the first time and the last time I've ever cursed anyone in my life, because I saw the effect of it and it shook me up. I said, I know it happened because of me, because of my curse. What I want to convey to you, that these curses work. Don't hurt anyone in a way that curse comes out for you, because these curses affect not only you, but they affect your whole family as well. They'll affect your children, they'll affect your spouse, they'll affect your parents. The same way the curses have a negative impact on you, you have the blessings. Your kindness to people, your generosity to people. You don't give money as a donation. Here, take money. I'm a multimillionaire, here, take. And I just keep giving money. No, give it from the heart. Give it from the soul. Look at the person in the eyes. It could be a small amount. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be millions of dollars. But imagine somebody who's selling balloons for 10 rupees. He's standing in the sun and he's selling a balloon for 10 rupees. How many can he sell in a day? 20? It's 20 rupees. Imagine you go up to that person and give him 1,000 rupees. Imagine the look on his face and what he can do with his children that evening, what he can buy for his wife. Why would you not want to do that? That blessing which comes out from these people The way that one curse changed that woman's life, one good blessing can change your life. It just needs to come from your heart. And most of the time it doesn't even need to be money. It's just that expression of gratitude. When you have this deep gratitude and the other person knows it, that blessing that comes from there, that again has the same effect, the same vibration. These vibrations, whether they are negative or they are positive, they have a direct impact on you and your life. Make sure that whatever you do, whatever you speak, whatever you say, doesn't hurt anyone. Make sure that all your actions, deeds and your karmas are positive in nature and generate as much blessing as they can for you and your life. Have a beautiful life. That's what I wish for you.